Man, that lousy Mufasa. I won't be able to sit for a week. It's not funny, Ed. Hey, shut up!
Will you knock it off?
Well, he started it.
Look at you guys. No wonder we're dangling at the bottom of the food chain.
Man, I hate dangling.
Yeah? You know, if it weren't for those lions, we'd be running the joint.
Yeah, man, I hate lions.
So pushy.
And hairy.
Stinky.
And man, are they
ugly.
Oh, surely we lions are not all that bad.
Oh, Scar, it's just you.
We were afraid it was somebody important.
Yeah, you don't like Mufasa.
Yeah.
I see.
Now that's power.
Tell me about it. I just hear that name and I shudder.
Mufasa.
Ooh. Do it again.
Mufasa. Mufasa, Mufasa, Mufasa.
Ooh, it tingles me.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Now you, Scar, I mean, you're one of us. I mean, you're our pal.
Charmed.
Oh, I like that. He's not king, but he's still so proper.
Hey, to bring us anything to eat, Scar? Oh, buddy, oh, pal, huh? Did you?
I don't think you really deserve this. I practically gift-wrapped those cubs for you, and you couldn't even dispose of them.
Well, you know, it wasn't exactly like they was alone, Scar.
Yeah, what are you supposed to do? Kill Mufasa?
Precisely. I know that your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expression, the lights are not all on upstairs. But we are talking kings and successions. Even you can't be caught unawares.